That actually just.
Huh? Yeah, we got a whole bunch of fireworks on
I hate
there. We'll
that.
light them when they got them. That's what it was supposed to do.
It was in the ground too much. All right, that works.
Yeah. Well, the first one was the other one was good. The other one was good. Are they nice for y'all?
Pop
Here,
it.
what was while we was out here? Are you playing? You hopping in? No, not this game.
Anybody want to join?
She did.
Come on and join us.
Put her in the game. Deal her in the game.
You do it, don't you? Oh, she'll be right there.
What's that from? What's today? Oh, I don't got class.
It's July 4th.
I don't have no class.
That's fine, sir. Remember to separate your cards by color. You've all your blacks together and all your reds.
Okay, we're supposed to put
Then you're supposed to,
a
right.
card on each.
That's right. That's when gets it. She gets it. That's right. And now I pluck. That's it. Baby girl gets it. Ah, she gets it. Get those little. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you rush me off the dance floor.
Remember Jovan hated those?
Devon?
Yeah.
Did he?
Yeah, like that.
And the only time you can move is when you
Military man.
Yeah, he's like in the airport. He got like 2 kids, right?
Yeah. He's staying like in Antarctica or something like that. He's somewhere in the mountains. I just know that.
Yeah, Bria's husband's in the
I know he in like
Marine Corps.
the
Yeah.
Marine Corps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did not bust. Oh, I think it's like a just like a
Huh? You can't. You can't move the stack. You have to pick from the pile. And the only time that you can do the lineups is when you, and I'll do one by the way, is when you see that from this point going down, it descends in numbers. I'm gonna show you something that I slept. I slept this. You see that? I can move that. Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you saying when you are allowed to move?
She can't move.
Somebody
from
is
the
playing
deck.
that stuff.
Oh,
Where's that coming from?
That's what you can move it.
Is that the backyard?
You can do 1 second at a time.
No, no.
I can just keep moving.
As long as you put them in descending order, you keep moving. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
As long as you can move that.
Stop me if I'm wrong.
I will. Right? You're wrong.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead, girl. We're gonna have to sit her out. Go ahead, go ahead. Good. Good. Someone's on her way out the door. Hey, look, hey, that's all she needs. It's her. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, no. Okay. Let's just go next time. see that, so even though she may have played a lot of cards, if she's picking up aces, and if she only has 3 aces in her hand at the end, she may be the loser. Because she got 45 points in her hand.
Oh, so that's so if you don't get rid of all your cards, whoever has the most like points, technically.
The highest card in your hand, numerically, is an ace. But it's the lowest on descending order. If you get card holding that ace, that's 15 points still in your hand. You get card holding that king, that's 10. Queen, 10. Okay? And all the number cards.
Y'all gonna be talking, I'm gonna be out of the game.
Well, we're learning it, John. I see you.
What? My own thing now.
You shuffle the cards good.
I tell you I shuffle. Yes, I did. There's a 5.
All right, that's it.
That is it.
Okay, good.
I'm plugging. All right, I got.
Stay out of her hand, Tiara, because you're looking over shoulders. Sit back. Let your mother play her game.
There.
She's all ready to play a full play.
Kia cheated for him the first round.
Well, we were teaching her.
Oh, okay.
We were only teaching her. No, that's it.
That's it?
That's it? Yeah. Okay. Oh,